So hey, what's going on, guys? Today I just bought a few packs and I'll just be opening them. So we got some Fates Collide here, some Steam Siege, and Evolutions. Start with the Fates Collide. That's not opening well. Code out. So we got a Meowth, Larvitar, Burmy, Cottony, Bronzor. Ooh, wow, that's a nice one. Was that a holo, reverse holo? Chaos Tower?
Did you do the card trick this time?
Oh, I didn't. No, I completely forgot.
You messed up.
That's okay. Carbink. Ooh, Fairy Drop. Oh, wow, that's a good one. Cincino. And a Special Energy Fidown. That'll be good for my second deck. Alright. Well, I saw something in there.
Oh.
So, oh, actually, I'm going to put that to the side. Where's that Chaos Tower? Yeah, okay. So I like that one. Anyway, Jigglypuff, Deerling, Riolu, Snubble, Binacle, Loudred, Wormadam, Pupitar, Servine Reverse, and a Zygarde EX. Wow, that's cool. Alright, on to the Steam Siege. It's a pretty good pull. Don't know which way the codes are facing, so we'll put that over there. Okay, so Mareep, Litwick, Hoppip, Meowth, Chimchar, Azuelis. Ooh, a Greedy Dice. That's a pretty good one for a deck. Something my buddy Tyler would need. Dewott. Ooh, a Samurott. Reverse. And a Shiftry Holo. Dual type. That's pretty cool. On to our second Steam Siege. Oh, a lot of white codes. Like those white codes. If you don't know, a white code means you're getting a holo or an EX, and green you're not getting much, maybe a break. Nose Pass. I keep doing that.
Maybe a break.
Cool.
Well, a break's
Litleo,
not that bad.
a Sneasel, a Yanma, Apom, Fletchinder, a Dewott, a Azumarill, Tangela, Reverse, and a shiny Hydreigon. That's pretty cool. Okay. On to our evolutions. I don't know where the codes are for that. Okay. And that's another white code. Unbelievable. So, Voltorb. I keep doing that. Machop. Growlithe. Oh, we have something in here. I saw it. Water Energy. Magnemite. Nidorino. Professor Oak's Hint. Charmeleon. Oh, look at that. Those are awesome. And a Mega Slowbro EX. Nice. So, I'll open one more pack and I'll let you do the last two, Jamie.
Might as well.
Alright.
I like the Mega EX thing.
Okay. So, code, only green. So, if anything, we could get a break. Okay. Poliwag. Caterpie. Diglett. Voltorb. Machop. Professor Oak's Hint. Metapod. A Potion. Oh, Reverse Holo Nidoking. I like that. And a regular rare Dugtrio. Alright. Jamie, come on in here.
Alright. So I'll do the last two. Might as well open something on this video.
Sure.
And these ones I'll be able to say because I know this generation of Pokemon. 2, 3. Do the trick, unlike Nick, who keeps
screwed up
forgetting
on
in
the first
almost
one.
every single video. Alright, so we got a Magnemite, Caterpie, Rattata, Charmander, Ghastly, Metapod, Professor Oak's Hint, Brock's Grit, Reverse Charizard Spirit Link, and our last one for this one is Brock's Grit Full Art. That's actually a really nice card.
It's very nice.
It's a very nice card. Getting some good pulls here. Over there. And our last X and Y Evolutions Charizard. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to look at that one now. Alright, so we got Electabuzz, Vulpix, Rattata, Grass Energy, Poliwag, Maintenance Trainer, Potion, Machoke. Is it?
Not Machoke. But
Machoke,
yeah,
whatever.
It's okay. butcher the
Reverse Full Heal. And our last one is Starmie Regular Rare.
name. Well, that's not bad.
Not too bad.
Alright.
So we'll do our recap.
We got this Electric Energy. We got our Charizard Spirit Link.
Hit
Not the camera.
Nicely done.